Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to Architects. I am presenting here how to convert columns to rows in Excel. There is simple process, no transpose, no formulas, simply unpivot in Power Query. It sounds simple to just switch columns to rows. Basically, transpose horizontal data to vertical, but you cannot always use a simple transpose. If you need only to transpose parts of your dataset, some columns instead of all columns. For example, if you have a report in Excel with a list of months in the column, it would be easier to analyze the data and create formulas or pivot tables on the data. If your data is in a tabular format, for each value field in the original report, we will get a new row. Since this involves unpivoting or transposing parts of the data, it can be difficult to achieve with Excel formulas. This is where you can use Excel's Get and Transform feature, also called Power Query. Get and Transform is available since Excel 2016. All you need to do is create a table or named range from your source data and then unpivot the columns in the Power Query editor. If some of the value cells in your report happen to be empty, the entire row will be removed in the final table. To keep empty cells, you need to replace the null value in Power Query with 0. Sometimes we cannot find any solution to do this. Here I am giving you an easy and shortcut solution for this. At first I am making sample pivot table to convert the row from columns, or how to make unpivot from a pivot table. My sample pivot table which I am converting by using Power Query very easily and fast. At first we have to copy this pivot table in separate area. For this I am connecting from the source of table range. Please see my steps very seriously to complete the task. We have to select unpivot other column option to make transpose. We can see their query setting menu right side of the window. All the tasks that we will complete are saving here step by step. Next time we can update or modify from here. You can see here that unpivot process done successfully. Next, we have to replace null value to convert zero value to show the desired table. Oh, done successfully. Now finally we can view this data as a table or keep only connection or view as a pivot table or view as a pivot chart or can add this data to model. You can see this multiple action to your need. Here I am converting by a table. That's all. This is our final output. Thanks for watching my presentation and view this tutorial.